Understanding credit scores is crucial for navigating financial waters. A credit score isn't just a number. It's a key that unlocks doors to loans, mortgages, and even job opportunities. So, what exactly influences this all-important score? First up, payment history. This accounts for about 35% of a credit score. Consistently paying bills on time shows lenders that a person is responsible and reliable. Late payments, on the other hand, can significantly drag down that score. Next, credit utilization plays a big role, making up about 30% of the score. This refers to the amount of credit being used compared to the total available credit. Ideally, keeping utilization below 30% is recommended. High balances can signal to lenders that a person might be overextended financially. Then there's the length of credit history, which contributes around 15% to the score. The longer a person has had credit accounts, the better it looks. It shows stability and experience in managing credit. Opening new accounts can lower the average age of credit, which might not be ideal. Credit mix, accounting for about 10%, also matters. Having a variety of credit types, like credit cards, auto loans, and mortgages, can positively impact a score. It demonstrates the ability to handle different types of credit responsibly. Lastly, new credit inquiries make up about 10% of the score. Each time a person applies for credit, a hard inquiry is recorded. Too many inquiries in a short period can signal risk to lenders, potentially lowering the score. Maintaining a good credit score is essential. A higher score can lead to lower interest rates on loans, which means saving money in the long run. It can also make renting an apartment easier, as landlords often check credit scores. Even some employers review credit scores during the hiring process, especially for positions that involve financial responsibilities. So, how can someone maintain a good credit score? Start by paying bills on time and keeping credit card balances low. Regularly checking credit reports for errors is also crucial. Mistakes can happen, and correcting them can improve a score.